So I hear thunder. It's raining. It's Tribulation Day 113. It's 2 a.m. right now, and I'm parked in Springfield. And there's no doubt in my heart that God is present, and God is here. God is clearly speaking to me in this moment through many ways, including this app that I have on right here, always. And just gonna tap a verse for you to hear.
But as for that day or hour, no one knows it, neither the angels in heaven, nor the Son, except the Father.
So I've taken my prayer. My prayer is my praying in public, meaning that I am out there as I am when I'm alone, so that others could see how I keep my oil burning. And I know that in Philadelphia especially, there's a lot of people using and opening portals. They know not what they are doing spiritually and how to stay on top of the clouds. Once they come back down, the negativity comes back in. And so many say that they are in heaven when they're serving the other team. And what comes out of their mouths usually speaks for them. And I see lightning. So and you hear the thunder. I'm going to continue speaking and allow the Spirit to come through me to say what the Father would like for you to hear in this sharing. So I'm documenting the tribulation, the second coming of the Son of Man, of Jesus Christ. And we know not how nor when. So it will be a surprise for me as well. In the meantime, though, this app here.
And which of you by worrying can add even 1 hour to his life?
Will help you stay elevated. And all your distractions will be eliminated. Now, this is not to replace the Bible. That's not the purpose. What it should replace.
Why do you call me good? No one is good except God alone.
Instead, it should replace all your other temptations and addictions, your other pleasure-seeking habits, such as YouTube, those which fill your anxieties to the brim, so that what comes out of you is just more of Babylon. And supporting what's already going on, which is nothing new. Worshipping the idols that's already created instead of what is possible, which is the language of creation and the Creator. And Jesus is the key. And this great nation is where it's going to be. Being. Just simply being as free as the Spirit needs right now. So, to tame the beast once you get back down, that is what this app is for, to provide you with spiritual security. Keep it on. and time yourself, you'll see that after the dosage expires, the spirits come back with a team, the dark ones, and they overload you. And whatever activities you take on become egoic and non-sustainable, and you lose, and you keep doing so. So this is really good news to be able to prevent even the paranoia and anxieties that follow, allowing you to grow and your potential becomes fulfilled as a human being and the works according to His will. The Lord has granted us a portal.
Blessed are the eyes that see what you see. For I tell you that many prophets and kings longed to see what you see but did not see it, and to hear what you hear but did not hear it.
You heard it for yourself, and that's enough for now. Tribulation Day 113, and life is beautiful. True life is. It truly is so. Lightning. Wow. Again. So thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and follow on the other mediums. You hear the thunder? There it is. Hence Human, GodApp.com. Go ahead and download it now and experience for yourself the miracle. Amen.
Blind Pharisee, first clean the inside of the cup, so that the outside may become clean too.
Oh.